up, y'all? Let's get this bed pulled off. I'm telling you, this 2 poster was probably the best money I ever spent. We actually got out here. It's Saturday. Tomorrow's the Super Bowl.
I said I'm trying, mama. My mama said that I'm not living right. She said I'm crying on you. She said I'm waking up for you all night. I said I'm trying, mama. I said I'm trying, mama.
All right. Bed is off. This is what I wanted to show you guys. I'll clean some of this shit up. And my battery mount snapped off. So I think what I'm gonna do is just weld this and reinforce it directly to the frame. As you can see, it's not supposed to be doing that. And then try to clean some of this up. I still gotta reroute my power cable. But yeah, tuck this wiring back in for the trailer plug and all that shit. Run it back under this. Since I got it out, I'll go ahead and do the R-joints for that one and then the 2 lower mounts. Let's get it. All right, I ran out of daylight, but we got this one's done. And I also got that one done. I still need to pull the driver's side off, and once I get that one off, I think what I'm gonna do is get it up to right height and then center the diff. So what I did on that side, I think it was set to like 33 inches and the axle was actually a little bit forward. So with the R-joint, I have a little bit of adjustability, so I'm gonna set it, I set that one at 33 and a half, and I'm gonna do the same on this one, just bring it ½ inch back a little more. But I still wanna pull this one off. And I'll do that tomorrow. And then once that's done, I'll put everything back together. I also went ahead and welded the battery mount to the frame on both sides. So I won't have to worry about that coming loose again. And then after that is just putting all the plumbing back in, all the air lines, the wiring back together. Once all that's done, then we can put the bed back on. Kind of debating on waiting to put the bed on so I could get my tubs in, so I could go ahead and weld them on. So I'm thinking I'll do the tubs, and then since I cut it straight up front to clear the wishbone, I think I might just kind of slope that along with the tubs and then cut it short where that little notch is at. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I think we got a lot done today. Not as much as I wanted to, but you know, all that shit over here on this side, taking all the plumbing off and moving all the airlines so I could weld this, took a ton of time. So yeah, once we get that done, should be good to cruise. Well, I still have to redo the battery cable, the main battery cable, all the way straight to the starter, but we'll do that once we get it on the lift. It'll be a lot easier. And also, I got this little tool to clean the shop. I haven't cleaned the tables, but I got a fancy little tool to bleed the proportioning valve. And I'm probably not gonna find it here because I got a fucking mess. Anyway, it's a little tool that is supposed to go where the little so I guess it's like a low pressure switch or some shit. I'm gonna turn the light on for you guys. So right here, where this switch is at, I guess it's like there's like a valve right here. So you're supposed to pull this off and then screw that little tool in there to bleed the brakes. So I still need the brake booster. So I'll get the brake booster, and then once that's in, I'll bleed the brakes again, and we should be good to go. But I'll get with you guys tomorrow so we can finish this one up and get the suspension bolted back up. All right, you guys, I know I said I'd probably do it tomorrow, but I said fuck it, and we got that one in. It's all bolted in, bolted up. Tomorrow it's starting to get windy and it looks like we might get a little bit of rain, so I'm gonna put on my tools up. Hopefully tomorrow it's nicer and I can finish up plumbing and wiring. And also, I was thinking, since I got the bed off, I'm going to go ahead and cut these back. I think I measured it out, it was like 3 inches. So since I welded the reducer here, I'll probably just cut it right behind it, and then from there measure 3 inches, weld it back up. But we'll do that tomorrow. It is now 8:30. It's getting windy, it's getting cold, and we're supposed to have a cold front coming in tonight. So we'll call it. That's all I got today, guys. Probably gonna go ahead and order the tubs tonight, and we'll see how long they take. If I can get everything in before I get the bed on, then we'll do that. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Peace.